going on a field trip. Going on a field trip. Ooh, and friends. Oh, shoot. Bro, I don't even have a box. I have to run. See, I have no box. Oh, that's weird. Oh god, the bacon got stolen. We don't even care about it. And we care about bacons. Goku! Goku, eat my chain nugget. Charge! All you do is just fucking. Oh, frick, I forgot. I was reading this wrong. Not a dinosaur. Oh! You're not a dinosaur. Oh, wait. Ooh, it's Fat Jesse. Oh, oops. Fat Jesse's gonna be playing Rainbow Friends. Ooh. You support LGBTQ. Go. School coming up? Get up. Blue can climb. That scared me so bad. Uncle Fred, get away from me. You fell down. Uncle Fred? Uncle Fred. Oh my god, my uncle. Whoa, Jesus. Whoa! I got scared. We have to start over again. Oh. Yeah, we'll just skip all these freaking parts. Where's my jingle block? My jingle block. I don't need my jingle block. Oh, we just got started. Okay. Your daddy ball. Nothing. She got stolen. And I think I know. I think it's the boy. Or was it a girl? Because I was just playing with my dad. I think it was a boy. Please comment. Or I could just watch the video. See if it was a boy or a girl. That just got taken in this round. My blood's fell over. All I need to do is just help. A pigeon! Oh, I should put this back. That's just stupid. This time I am not getting jump scared by freaking Blue. Ah! I just got jump scared by Blue. That was scary. Ah! That would be cute. Hey, give me a big. Ah! Give me a big booby. No! Ah, help me! Ah! You just killed someone. That was scary. Oh, Blue. We can talk about this. We can talk about this. We can talk about this. Woo. I paused the video for a minute, but okay. Attention, no food beyond this point. Attention, no food beyond this point. Attention, no food beyond this point. That was scary. For a minute. I just saw a flashing light. Ooh. Oh, that's just a lady. Or a man. Okay. Or a woman or men. Or a boy or a girl. Yeah, that's it. You only slowed me down because I know that. Because I played Rainbow Friends before in the first video. Oh, I'm gonna pause it for a minute. Yay, we just did it! Yay, thanks! I should probably Blue did get all of you. Okay, Blue did got somebody though. Green! Oh. Oh. Green does not sound good. One died. Two? I think I'm a veteran. I'm not a veteran actually. In my different account, I am actually a veteran. Oh yeah, if you dress up as a box, you can get up there. Oh. Beep! That's how Green wakes up. Weird, isn't it? Oh, I don't know why Green snores like that. Whoa! Wow! A guy twerking in front of the roads. Okay, this is weird. Oh, we just got freaking started. And I didn't freaking know because I was busy with something. Oh. River ride through Hemlock Woods. Blue. Oops. Oh. Ooh, nothing. Oh, what the frick? Name just. An exit. Move, you fatty. Bella was found. By who? Oh, that's Green. I just saw his fingers sticking out in his head. Can you move, Green? Thank you. I haven't found it. Oh, I found one, though. Ah! I'm just... Jesus, that actually scared me. Oh, I knew it was blue because I heard his big footsteps. I heard you, Blue, you big fat turd. I bet he don't know I'm there. I'm a chicken ghost. Go, go. Wow. Whoa. No, Gran, you are an idiot. Move out of the way. God, he's huge. Holy frick. He's just vibing. He's just freaking dancing. I'm dancing. I'm dancing. Ooh. He's gonna move. I knew it. Green, don't you dare follow me. I'm gonna follow Green. Oh! No. Thank you. Oh. Orange. Where my boy Orange? Dang. How does Orange even get up there? Does he just like use his claws to climb up or just use that? Little mountain? The rock? Ah. Ah. Wah. I can't get up the big again. Where's Blue? Who just... I was gonna say moan, but who just burped in the middle of... Oh! What the frick? No, am I following this up? Never mind. I want to go the other way now. Oops, wrong way. Oh, food packs. Oh, Blue moved his fat belly away. Because Blue's stupid. I mean, true. He's drooling. Got these two. I got a big one. Go! Whoa! That was so close. That was so close. Here's Orange. Bang! Ew, is that actually dog food? That's a freak. They just stole image and put it in the game. That's a surprise. Orange left his cage. He definitely did. Maybe he smelled the food. He did not. Oh my! He killed a lot of them. So there's 9 of us, wait, right? 1, 2. Why did the vent start leaking? Maybe you know, because it's purple. What do you do? You actually kind of camouflage, though. No need to worry. We have to find fuses, and that's just all. Nothing. Can you move, you green bean? Dude, you want to go there? Come. Jesus, that's scary. I have found no fuse. Dang it. How do you find the fuses? Jesus. Purple, stop it. Stop stalking us. Purple's everywhere. I feel like I want to hide in the box. Ding. Jesus. Oh, why am I like? Why do I act like what was that character? Courage the Cowardly Dog. Yeah. Looks like somebody forgot to feed Orange. Oh no, he wants to get in. I feel like I'm Courage the Cowardly Dog because like Courage the Dog's always scared of everything. Even monsters. Except for me, I'm not scared of this goofy eye looking kind of man. It's good. I think chapter 2 is gonna be better than this crap. This is terrible. Once it gets better, I will like. I mean, I like Rainbow Friends. It's good. It's kind of good, but I don't like it that much. Orange Dew is a doo-doo face. I feel like I don't want to go near the vents now. If blue... I regret what I just said. Move. Ring around the roses. I just catch my hoses. What? No, I don't want to put it on my back. I'm out. I don't want to go there anymore. No! Get away. I'm purple. Oh, I hear some footsteps in the vent. Bleh. Look, it's scary Megan. Oh my god, it's cringe as frick. No, I would not. It's on my butt. It's a little footstep. Oh my god, this is what a character looks like in the box. Oh my god, he's missing his hair. It's somewhere. Mine is like right there. It's incredible. Wait, is it just the two of us? Wait. I think it is. Purple, I swear to God if you're there. go. Oh shoot. I'm putting it in anyways. I wanted to wait for blue and green and orange and purple. Yeah, I did it. Wait, what's happening? I mean, wait, what's going on? This should be happening. Oh! Ooh, frick. What is the machine? Okay, it's too dark to see. It's an incredible journey. Oh my god. You're carrot. I'm in the box. I hate you, bees. 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 That's real Family Guy. That's funny. Oh. Do we get a party? Like cake and ice cream? Not ice cream. Do we get a party hat tickets? Do we get tickets and a party? I want a party and I want some tickets and a birthday hat. I want to make it real life. A life. Actually, I don't think I need the flashlight though. It's not even that dark. Oh. Oh, I just made it dark. This is not even that dark, bro. When I put this on, that just makes it dark. Like, look. Wait. You see this? It's not. Wait, hold on. You see this? It's not like dark, but if you put. Oh Jesus! That scared me. I can't see. That actually scared me. I just turned off my flashlight and turned it on when I tried to show you how they work. So wait. Yeah, it's like this, but the hold on. So if you try to put your flashlight like normal, it just don't look dark. But when you put like on like this like an absolute. It's actually dark. Oh god, blue's coming. I mean orange and green. I like this one though. I like this one better because it's not that dark. Oh my god. Dang, that was scary. That was bigger than a hot dog. It's faster than my father getting the milk. You know, hold on. I'm a pecan for a minute, so I'm gonna pause it. So I just made a hot dog. No, not the sussy thing, you dirty mind person. But I made a hot dog. I'm gonna smash it. Aren't you guys getting dirty minded, aren't you? You're sus if you are dirty minded. You are really dirty minded when you're sus. Because you're gonna think about it for 10 days and I'm not even saying anything and you guys are not even enjoying the video for some reason. I'm just speaking. My foot just moved. Wait, can I play with my foot? Should I try? Okay, fine. I'll try. Let me just like There you go. Oh. Oh, whoa, that was cool. Oh, yeah. Let me put in my feet. What if I use my toe? Oh my god, imagine playing with my toe. Go, go. Oh, crawling, that's why. Oh, I'm in a box. That's why. Yeah. Let me just... Whoa! Two. Oh, the screen. I'm actually playing with my toe. Because if I had a finger, I would stop moving. But if my toe, it would be hard to stop. Oh, I can't even rotate the screen well. Oh, this is stupid. Ooh, that tastes like dog poo. But that was stupid. I played with my toe. Is green still there? Wait a minute. Is it just me? Oh, it's just the two of us. I mean, there's three of us. I like it like this. This kind of make it scarier. This kind of makes it scarier though. Go quick! Go! Woo! Oh. Jesus! Orange still coming? Oh! No! Oh! Oh! Oh my god, he's in! Oh yeah, it's just me! It's just me! It's just me! Oh, this is scary! How to complete this by myself? The pumpkin guy just got eaten by green. Oh, I can't see. He just ate that pumpkin. And that was scary. I thought I was gonna die, but no, he died. Like this. Purple. Oh, this is so scary now. It just got darker. Blue! Oh, I should stay in a box for a minute. Oh, I forgot to feed orange. This is crazy. This is so crazy. He's gonna come over there. This is insane. This just got crazy. Oh. Blue just fell over. I have to get back to the theaters. I don't like the insanity. Purple's gonna come out over there. Green! Move! Move, green, move. Green, can you move your slimy fingers? I have to go to the other way. Oh, no. Where's green going? No! I can't see. This is so hard. I see his little footsteps. Blue's first spread 1991. Make a run for it! Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's so scary. Everyone died except for me. Oh, that is so scary. Looks like we're back in business. That business was not good. Thanks for turning the power back on. That was just me who did it. Because people died. As a reward, I'm going to let you all go. Yay! It's just me, you can tell. But first, I'm throwing you a goodbye party. Ooh, what do you mean by a goodbye party? Oh, this is what I just said. Make sure you all redeem your party tickets. Okay, let's go. After you party, I'll let you all go. I promise. Oh, it's just me. Oh,